अस्सलाम वालेकुम टू एवरीवन। उम्मीद है कि आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। सो द टॉपिक ऑफ आवर प्रेजेंटेशन इज स्टाई। व्हाट इज स्टाई? A stye, also known as hordeolum, it is a bacterial infection of an oil gland in the eyelid. This results in a red tender bump at the edge of the eyelid. The outside or the inside of the eyelid can be affected. The bacteria that's known as Staphylococcus aureus. So, the types of stye. There are two types of styes: external stye or hordeolum, internal stye or hordeolum. External styes are much more common than internal styes. Most external styes start in an eyelash follicle. Occasionally, they start in an oil sebaceous gland. They are located on the outside edge of your eyelid. Internal styes, most of these begin in an oil gland within your eyelid tissue. They push on your eyes as they grow, so they tend to be more painful than the external styles. Now, the symptoms of this stye. Eyelid swelling, yellowish discharge is very common. Sensitivity to light, that's photophobia. Feeling like there is something in the eye, or we can say a feeling of a foreign body. A gritty feeling in the eye, watery eyes, tenderness, droppiness of eyelid, mucus discharge, a crust that forms on the edge of the eyelid. Risk of developing a stye: having itchy eyes, from hair fever or allergies, inflammation of your eyelid, that's blepharitis, using contaminated mascara or eyeliner, leaving makeup on overnight, skin conditions such as rosacea or seborrheic dermatitis. Some medical conditions like diabetes can also cause stye. Anything that makes you more likely to rub your eyes, such as not getting enough sleep. Etiology of stye: bacterial infection by Staphylococcus, excessive use of makeup or cosmetics, we can say, poor nutrition, sleep deprivation, lack of hygiene, lack of water, and rubbing of your eyes are most common cause. Complications. Rare complications include progression to chalazion and periorbital cellulitis. Here we have an example of periorbital cellulitis. Now, we are going towards the investigation. We need first of all history collection, and then we will proceed towards the eye examination. Now, we will proceed towards the management of stye. We have two types of managements: medical management and the surgical management. In the medical management, we have analgesics. Erythromycin ophthalmic ointment is recommended most of the times. Other antibiotics such as oral antibiotics are appropriate only for cases with concurrent periorbital cellulitis. Chloramphenicol, amoxicillin, and note: warm compressions for 5 to 10 minutes 4 times a day can be very helpful and useful. If recurrent styes or chalazion, wash eyelids regularly with warm water and baby shampoo. Now, surgical management: drainage and incision. Local anesthesia is injected with a fine needle. After a few minutes, the eyelid will be numbed and you won't feel any pain. Preventions for stye: proper hygiene, proper hand wash, never share your cosmetics to anyone, remove makeup every night before go to sleep, discard old or contaminated makeup.
How to get rid of a stye or recurring stye? Number 1. Heat a piece of cloth and apply it to stye for 5 minutes. Number 2. Repeat the process 3 to 5 times a day. Number 3 is, if pus is released, clean the area. Note: do not overheat the cloth, it can damage your eye. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.